Namaste. Welcome to Booster Shots. In this series on yoga postures, we will try to understand how our overall wellness can start with just one stretch. Today, let us explore Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose that open up your chest and calm your brain. Bridge pose is great for back strengthening. However, it must be avoided by those having neck and shoulder injuries, hypertension, heart issues, or have undergone spinal or hip surgeries and are pregnant or suffer from abdominal hernias. It is best practiced preferably in the morning, empty stomach, and with a fresh mind. For Setu Bandhasan, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Squeeze your glutes and engage your core. Then press your feet into the ground and lift your hips off the floor, forming a bridge. Keep your shoulders and feet grounded and your body in a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold this pose for 30 seconds or more, as long as it is comfortable. Slowly lower your hip back to the floor, one vertebra at a time. This pose strengthens the spine, glutes, hamstrings, and core, improving our posture and overall strength. In addition, it opens up the chest and shoulders, relieves lower back pain, improves circulation and digestion, calms the mind and nervous system, and stimulates thyroid. Bridge your energy with booster shots. Like, share, and subscribe. Namaste.